TSTY Electric Company Limited was established in 2011 and is located in Jiaxing County, Henan Province. It is a digital management enterprise integrating R&D, production, sales, and installation on power equipment. The company's products cover 6 kV, 11 kV, 22 kV, 35 kV, etc. Power transformers, distribution transformers, box-type substations, high and low voltage switchgear, wind power, photovoltaic power generation equipment, etc. At present, the company has 3 factory areas, including the joint transformer workshop, oil transformer workshop, and intelligent complete workshop, with a construction area of 2,050,000 square meters, 360 employees, and 128 invention patents. The technical performance of the products had reached the advanced level in the same industry in the world, and the quality is safe and reliable. The products have passed IEC, SGS, Intertech, CCC, CE, and other international certifications. TSTY has many types of power distribution equipment, adopts new manufacturing technology, has the characteristics of low loss, low noise, easy installation, energy saving and emission reduction, and a long service life. The product production cycle is short, easy to install, and fast delivery. Our team consists of very professional engineers. We strive to deliver your power equipment on time and within budget with excellent product quality to give you the ultimate experience. TSTY products are sold to the Middle East, North America, South America, Europe, Southeast Asia, Africa, and other regions, covering more than 40 countries. The equipment put into operation in the project advocates energy saving, intelligence, informatization, and mechanization. TSTY relies on years of experience in the power equipment industry accumulation and strong technological innovation capabilities, are committed to providing comprehensive solutions for the international power industry. Facing the future, TSTY will take that the green electricity changed the world and its mission, with the vision of becoming a world-class electrical equipment manufacturer, adhering to the enterprise spirit of integrity, innovation, unity, and forging ahead. TSTY strives to become a world-class and domestic leading modern and intelligent enterprise.